Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You open the YouTube video and immediately check captions. This tells you whether subtitles exist or are auto-generated. Once you see the CC or gear icon, click it to view caption language and options. If captions are missing, copy the video URL now. You will use it with browser tools or transcription services. Make sure you are signed in if you need creator controls. Otherwise, proceed with the URL and a subtitle extractor or the built-in transcript feature. Next, open the transcript inside YouTube by selecting More Actions and Open Transcript. This gives you timestamped text you can copy. Once done, consider browser developer tools or a subtitle downloader extension when captions are hidden or disabled. If the transcript is auto-generated and inaccurate, use a third-party transcription service with the video URL to produce a cleaner SRT file. Make sure to match timestamps and save the file as SRT or VTT. Finally, convert the transcript into an SRT or VTT file by adding timecodes and saving with the correct extension. Subtitle editors automate this and let you tweak timing. Once edited, upload the file via YouTube Studio under Subtitles for that video, or attach the SRT to your chosen media player for local viewing. If captions still don't appear, refresh the video, clear cache, and confirm language settings. If problems persist, re-export with corrected timestamps and re-upload.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.